Hey everybody! So I'm coming to you right now from Perry Creek, which is just south of Black River Falls. One of the things I find beautiful about it is not just the creek itself, but the way it's carved its way through rock formations over the thousands of years it's been here. So when you think about water carving its way through rock, you think first about big, powerful rivers, like the Colorado River, which carved out the Grand Canyon. Well, this is just a little creek, but it's doing the exact same thing. So if you look at the creek, and then again at the size of the rocks that it's worked its way through over thousands of years, it doesn't quite seem to match. But this reminds me of one of my favorite quotes.
A river cuts through rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. Jim Watkins.
So as you're heading through life, you're going to come across various rocks or barriers yourself. Maybe you want to be on a basketball team, but the problem is you just don't shoot very well yet. Maybe you want to do well in school, but perhaps your organization or getting stuff handed in just needs a little bit of work. Fortunately, the answer for us is the same as it is for Perry Creek working through its rocks: persistence. Now, being persistent means you have to work at something over a long period of time. In order to do that successfully, there's two steps you have to do. Number one, you have to build habits, and number two, you have to build your confidence. Now, the good news about building habits is that you don't need any special skill other than being stubborn. If you want to get better at shooting a basketball, you just got to put the time in. You go out there on the court and you shoot those free throws, or you shoot from around the court, no matter how you feel. It doesn't matter if you want to do it or not, you just get out there and you do it. You do it often enough, it becomes a habit, and it becomes easier because that's just what you do. So building habits will get you on your way, but if you're going to sustain that effort, you've got to build your confidence in what you're doing too. So to build confidence, you actually have to see your efforts make a difference. If I take a look at this river back here, you can see over here how it's actually carving its way through rock, how that's not just something that happened thousands of years ago, but is going on right now. When you start to see your habits and your effort make a difference in your life, that's when your real confidence is going to come. So if you want your confidence in school to go up, just go ahead and build the habit of doing the homework every day, turning it in every day, even if it's not perfect. As you do that, you're going to watch your grades go up. You're going to watch your rock or your barriers start to melt away as you get better. That is real confidence. So for today's challenge, I'd like you to think about a goal that you have that's going to require some persistence. Maybe it's getting better at making friends. Maybe it's getting in the habit of getting your work in. Whatever it is, think about, first of all, what habits are you going to have to be stubborn with and just do no matter what. Second of all, what are the areas you're going to look for to see yourself getting better at it? If you identify those, you're going to have success. Remember, in order to overcome your barriers and your rocks, you don't have to be a mighty river, you just have to be a persistent creek. All right, you take care.